Nature by itself. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Not to mention the sky. Rain started earlier, but it has calmed down. It's not falling anymore. But this is just beautiful. This is the ale of the McPherson's Love Garden, and we call this the farm. Farm in Yorton, St. Catherine, but in St. Anne it is garden. And this place is just beautiful. And if you look at that tree over there, that's the breadfruit tree. The place is a bit dark. And if you notice that there's a lot of trees there. So you can look, so most of the things that have happened here on this farm is mostly like a few of the plantain and banana fell down. I am grateful to God. Our ackee tree way at the back there. Let me see if I can zoom in. That's alright. That's the ackee tree. Yeah, zoom in on this one. And there's a mango tree beside it. It's still standing. So the next time I want to come down here, I want to go to the back and show you what is down there. So I am actually on the top looking down. It's a beautiful place, big place also, but lots of work. Yeah. And that's another jelly tree that fell down. See there, it's lying down there. Yeah. Nature. And if you listen to the birds, they're making a lot of noise. And the coconut trees are full. The coconuts and jelly. Just that I can't climb it. We have nobody to. So some birds flying. Yeah. Nature.